Hello everybody, welcome back to the kitchen. Today is day number 4 of the AeroGarden update video. So thanks for tuning in, everybody along the way here. It's kind of like getting a lot of fun. We don't have sprouts today, but going by the numbers on the AeroGarden herbs, we should be starting to see some stuff in the next couple days. So it might get a bit more exciting to tune in on these. But I did want to answer, I did have one question from a viewer of the channel asking about the AeroGarden, and I love the question. So if you do have one, we're learning together as we do this, leave it in the comments below and I will do my best to answer it, hopefully, and also be able to hopefully do a video to answer that question. So the one that we did have on the AeroGarden was, does the light make it the room hot? And let's jump in. We'll go down to the AeroGarden, we'll do a quick update, and I will show you the lights and we'll answer that question. Okay, here we are. This is the 4th day of update, but the light on the left here will say days since planted is 3, because obviously the first day is the setup day, so it's just counting forward from that. If you do want to see this series from the beginning, I will leave the link to the previous video in the description below, so you can check that out. So 3 days planted, and then the 11 on the right hand side, that's the number of days till we have to give it more food. So to answer the question that we had was, do these lights make the room hot? And the answer is no. They are just LED lights. They do put it's a little bit of warmth there, but not anything to be concerned about in terms of heat. You can actually touch them and there's no, you're not going to get burned. So not to worry about that. So if you did have a family with small kids and you're worried about maybe the light, not a problem. I will lock this and I'll show in the video kind of what they look like. It's gonna be really bright. You might not be able to see it. So it's just a number of lights. It's probably, I don't even know how many are there, probably 50 or so. So there's white ones, there is red ones, and there's a couple of blue ones. I really don't know the difference, what the color means or what it does. I'll have to research that and find out. It must have something to do with some of the type of light that the plants need. So we'll find that out. But no, it doesn't get hot. You can touch it, no problem. It is obviously really bright is the biggest thing, but not to worry about getting burned or heating up the room. It doesn't make a noticeable difference in the room at all. So not to worry about that. So let's give an update of where we are with the plants. It is obviously the 3rd day planted. We're starting to see a bit more condensation on some of them. And it actually looks like the ones that have, there's no kind of rhyme or reason, but there is a mint that's supposed to sprout in 6 to 10 days. So probably in three or more days, that has probably the most condensation. And then there's a little bit at the Thai Basil one. The Thai Basil should be the one that is growing the first, and it's got a little bit of condensation, and same with the parsley. So they all kind of do. It's just more on the mint. Maybe it's just the location of where it is planted, but I'm not really sure. Just some bigger droplets, but that's about it. But other than that, that is it. Nothing is starting to sprout and pop up. So what we'll do, we'll just double check. There's lots of water. There should be. Yeah, still full. Not to worry about that right now. So there is our update for day 4, 3rd day planted with the AeroGarden. So there we go, day 4. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments below. Thanks for following along. These are kind of fun. I'm hoping that we're going to see a bit more action in the next few days, at least to start, so we can kind of get and see these sprouts starting to actually grow and show something on camera, other than a little bit of condensation. But I do appreciate the questions. If you have any other ones, let me know. Like I said, in the comments, I'll try and answer them in a video. If you're new to the channel, consider subscribing, following along. We're going to do daily updates with the AeroGarden just to see how everything grows. So we'll grow this together, and we will be using the herbs to make some awesome recipes on the channel in one of the live streams. So thanks for watching this one. Have a great day, and we'll see you tomorrow.